Hey, listen up, I got one secret for you. I'm looking for some hunters. Hello and welcome back, it's Kevin Rabling. This message is all about something that is going to blow the lid off the things that you already know about the secret, about the law of vibration, about the wishful thinking. This is the secret to making all of that come together. If this is the first time you've listened to our tapes, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the bell symbol so that you get the notice when it comes up first. Every week we're going to put a video on just for you, and this will help you build on your success and your beliefs. Okay, so let's talk a bit about this. Right? This is important. I want you to listen carefully. The Secret came out a few years ago, a video, a smash hit. All of the experts got on there and talked about, this secret message. What you think about comes about. What you believe and the law of attraction, all that was very, very good. Great news, great stuff. Great inspirational stuff for many people. Are you rich? Did it change your life? Are you living in the lap of luxury now after watching that video? I mean, there's thousands, millions of people have watched that video, bought the book. Did it all come true? Are you happy? Well, let me tell you why you're not happy. Why you didn't get everything you wanted. Because it doesn't tell you everything. The whole thing, this secret behind this, is that you need to be putting the right action in place, and the right action is all about the quest. It's not a place. Success is not a place. It's a hunt. It is a hunt. You need to find the seed. You need to hunt. Successful people, wealthy people, when they've got $1 million in the bank or 10 million or whatever it is in the bank, do they stop and sit on the beach? Most of them they don't. Why is that? Why don't they stop? Why don't they stop when they've built the church? Why don't they stop when they've got the field going that they want? What is it? What is it? Why is it that these people reach this point and they said, this is it, I'm successful, but they keep going? It's the hunt. Inside of you is the need to hunt. Inside all of us is a very ancient need to hunt for something else, to hunt and hunt and hunt. It is primal. It's right back when we were related to the things climbing in trees and snaking on the ground. We need a quest. We need a challenge. We need something to go for. We need to go hunting, and we need to do it every day. If you don't set a goal and take action that scares you, that makes you push through your limits, then you are going to slowly erode and erode and erode, and you are going to disappear. And you're just going to go and make room for some hunter that can do it. This is serious, right? This is really the secret behind it all. You can wishful think all you like, but all that is going to do is create you pain if you don't hunt it. If you don't really emotionally connect and hunt down what you need. Now, you've got to listen to me on this. This is really important. We are designed to have this seed of discomfort. This is what gets us going, moving us forward. If we're not working on a new hunt, a new quest, a new emotional goal that is so big and so scary and so challenging, slowly inside we start to burn up. The energies are being used up somewhere. We start to get sickness, start to feel dis-ease, we start to feel disquiet, we start to feel anxious. After a while I feel scared. I don't feel like, I don't want to go out the house anymore. Oh, someone sent me an email that said, oh, and you start to feel lack of confidence, lack of spirit, lack of movement, because you're not on the hunt. You need to be hunting. You need to set a goal, a quest, a mission. You need to be chasing something. Recently I achieved a high emotional goal for myself. I achieved that goal. It was difficult, impossible when I set it. Very, very hard goal for me to achieve. I didn't think I could achieve it. Honestly, I didn't believe that I could. But I told myself I could do it, and in the end I did achieve it. I achieved exactly what I asked for. Straight away afterwards, for weeks, I felt really sad and depressed. Why should I feel depressed? I had achieved what I wanted. I realized at that time that I had stopped hunting. That's why I felt sick, sad, depressed. I wasn't hunting for something else. I was sitting there, okay, I had a little rest and had a week or so for rest, but I should have got straight back into the next biggest goal. Now I have a big goal, another big searching goal, and I'm on the game and I'm moving forward and I'm feeling good. I'm energized. I'm up at 4 o'clock. I'm doing what I need to do. I'm exercising every day. I walk 15 kilometers a day. I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm flat out hard at it because I'm on a quest. You see what I'm talking about? This is really, really, really serious. You've got to have a quest. Successful people never stop. Ever, ever, ever stop. As soon as they do, they get sick and die. Because it's not about a place. It's not about a bucket of money. It's about the hunt. This is about that. It's really important. That's why, religious scholars and people like this and scientists keep working. They keep going. After they've reached retirement age, they don't stop. Why? Because it's the hunt that's keeping them alive. It gets them out of bed. The Dalai Lama gets up at 3 a.m. What time do you get up? What's your hunt? What's your quest? This is really serious, right? This is life and death. Your life and death. Take it serious. Hey, listen up. I got one secret for you. I'm looking for some hunters. If you are ready for the hunt, feeling stuck, looking for something to do to drive you forward, I would love to talk to you about being a top hunter, and I would love to be hunting with you. I'm only looking for a few good hunters. If you want to be part of our tribe, if you're interested in me helping you achieve your goal, getting your hunting spirits back, absolutely come and join us. But do it quickly because I'm only taking a few. Click on the link below and come to our website, and I'll see you on the pack.